Today we are gonna tune my car for free using computer wizardry and crap with cable, my laptop, and some applications on a computer where it just basically scans your DME, which is what the ECU software of a BMW has, and then up. It's still very dirty. I don't think I've even touched it. I mean, the last time I touched it was when I did the steering wheel install, which was like, what, Friday or Thursday? Yeah, it's been a while. I mean, I'll probably just take it out afterwards because we are going to do that what is it, modification, or not modification, the tune that makes you so it like backfires a bunch. You're not supposed to do it on headers that has cats in it, catalytic converters, but I am doing it on these because the headers, I got catless headers, I bought catless headers. It'll increase the horsepower and everything and make the exhaust flow good. And they're coming probably end of the week or beginning of next week, so it doesn't really matter if I blow these cats out or not. I don't really care. Oh boy, I got my phone, wallet. Oop. Jesus Christ. Ooh, I haven't been in this thing in a while. I don't even know where the cable is that you have to plug into. I have a strong feeling it's underneath whatever this is. Found it. It's under this clip. It's quick. So basically this is just a USB cable, connects to the OBD2, which, like I said, every car, 98 and newer, meaning literally every single car, American, German, whatever, Japanese, they all have one because they're required to have it so that check engine lights can be all red from the same thing. But obviously you can get into the car's computer. Some cars you can't really do much with the stock computer. Some cars, like LS's, there's stuff called HP tuners, and it's a little like tuning thing that you can also plug it into the laptop and into the OBD2 port, and you could, like, that's how Dan's car is tuned off of that. BMW is a little bit more complicated to like tune really aggressively on the stock DME without going aftermarket ECU. And once you go aftermarket ECU, you don't have an OBD2 because it's not meant for street use. So there's a lot of variables when it comes to ECUs and stuff like that. But I'm just doing kind of an update thing where there's like a lot of variables that you can remove and play with and stuff like that with the BMW, all BMWs. So it turns out I actually got the wrong cable. Total fail of a video. Next day, new cable. Thanks to Amazon Prime, 1-day shipping. This one has like a special chip thing that if you flip this down, it reads regular check engine light crap. If you flip it up, by the way, that last clip, yeah, that cable is wrong. So here we are on day 3, Friday. So I read the partial bin and I opened it in this app. So as you can see, it gives you option for 6-speed manual transmission, shift lights, which actually you can kind of see there's LEDs right there. If I start the car right now, you'll see all of them like that, and then the ones that limit the red line on the M's. But actually the SMG, apparently as you get closer to red line, this builds up and it's kind of like a shift light, but this programs it so even the manual transmission has it. So the 6-speed things you can just have always active. The sports memory you can have just so it turns on with the sports button is right there. The sports button makes the throttle super sensitive, so it's kind of really nice to drive with it, but you can have it so that it's always on, or it's sports mode memory, so if I left it on, it'll stay on. Dyno rev limit, I'm just keeping that on regular. Rev limit all gears plus neutral, it's at 8,000 RPM, but I can go all the way to 8,900 RPM, which would be almost 9,000 RPM, but most people go to 83, but like safety wise, 86 is like absolutely the highest. So I'm just gonna leave it at like, I'm just gonna put it at 85. I'm not gonna hit that high. 155 mile per hour limit removal, yes. The car's top speed, technically 6th gear maxed out, is 188 miles an hour. That's what it is right there, 188. That's actually like literally not even like just saying. There's plenty of videos of them going that fast on the Autobahn, maxing out. Then there's the performance tune, which you have to actually pay like 275 euros, which is like $300, and it gets you 15 to 25 bhp. but I'm not paying right now. I'd rather just do a custom tune. You get more money, or you get more power out of it. And then this is the thing, exhaust backfire. Yes, I've read to all of it, and then you select there's stage 1 mild, there's stage 2 intermediate, and stage 3 aggressive. I'm obviously just gonna go with aggressive. So I had to pay 20 of whatever the hell this currency is, but it translates to $27 US dollars. Setters, I just checked on the shipment, and it says that they're coming Wednesday of next week. So today's Friday, so in half a week. So I got the licensing and stuff, and did the thing. You're supposed to license it, which was kind of confusing because I entered the email, which they have a tab that says enter your email, and I entered my email that I use personally, but I have like a bunch of emails, and it sent it to the PayPal email that I paid with, so I didn't realize that. So I think it was sent immediately, although I waited like 30-40 minutes, and now it's kind of dark out, but the camera still registers it. But now it's good, so now I can go to BMW Flash. So now that it's connected, as you can see by the wire, just go here, reflash. Are you sure you want to reflash? So I'm gonna have to put in the key, put it to AC2 mode. Not powered properly during the reflash, but yes. Okay, so BMW Flash. So I did the Boom Pop. That's what I named it. Boom Pop. That's my stock one. It's literally what it's named, Boom Pop. So you can obviously choose, and then connector, authorization, upgrade, and then you can see the percentage. Upgrade successful. So usually it doesn't start first try, but steering wheel. We'll see how this sounds now. Holy shit! Yeah, okay, it's never been that loud, so I assume it worked. I don't want to take it to redline yet to see if the redline thing works, because the car's still a little bit cold. It's a second gear now. Holy shit! I don't know how loud that is for you. I assume really loud because you're writing. Yeah. So picture that with like now catless headers that are louder, and it's 100% just going to be spitting flames all the time. This is all like 3K RPMs too, technically, so because I don't want to go fast in the neighborhood. I don't want to be an asshole. When you go into the next gear, that so to do the actual really loud pops, my foot is like 3% on the throttle, but I doubt you can even see me, right? Yeah. Holy hell. So third gear, right under 4K, let off, and then a little on the gas. Jesus. So hopefully you like them sick mods. Yeah, like I said, I checked the tracking. The headers are coming Wednesday, as I mentioned already. So it'll definitely spit insane flames. It's because the cats, no matter what, will always block the flames. And when you shoot flames like this, it'll deteriorate the cats like crazy. But like I said, I wouldn't have done this if I didn't know that I was going catless within a week. So I don't know. There will probably might be a video tomorrow of painting, how to bake and paint your headlights. Oh, what is that random light? How to bake and paint your headlights, because Rachel, we're probably going to be painting her housing. But oh, now we have to drive. Listen for more bang bang. If we get pulled over, it'll be a decent video. Holy Mamma Mia! I had to time that so perfectly. In before it records and gunshots. It's just really scary to think that it can actually get louder than this. Because I wanted to get it to a point where I'll actually see something light up at night on the right side of me. It'll probably be the car catching on fire, hopefully. The AC is so cool. See, this is exactly why I don't want to freaking swap my engine, because the AC works. And it's 75 right now and like 90% humidity, 88. Yeah. And oh, the AC is just so nice. Even with the windows down, it's just nice to have on, because it's just like so swampy right now. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's like Florida weather. It's not California has much better weather because it's just very dry.
There's my car that you can't see because it's too dark out.
It's also a great car. Why is it? Next video, hopefully coming soon. I don't know what to buy for my car next. Please don't say an engine, because I can't afford an engine. But like, you know, I don't know. I was thinking of buying a hood, because I do need to get like a better one that has like carbon fiber vents. And oh my Jesus Christ, that's
blinding. Look at your beautiful face.
Like I could be like the show. I don't even think it go. This is literally what all show cars do. They take off their steering wheel and hang it on their rear view. I don't know why. I would just keep it on because it looks cool. But I just throw mine on the floor.
By my tootsie.
I only put it on the floor because the sun can actually fade out suede. And I want to like put it somewhere where it's shady. Otherwise I would just put it on the dash. But yeah, that was successful. Although it really wasn't, because that took 4 days to accomplish. And it's gonna get really sweaty in here very soon.
I'm already sweaty.
I know, me too. So yeah, thank you for watching as always. I'll try to stream more. I really don't know what else to like get. I mean, I obviously like getting the kid and stuff, but like, I don't really know, because it's like I kind of have a job now that makes decent, not really decent, little money, and
almost 2 times as much as your other jobs.
Yeah, so it's a lot better. If I built V1 on that salary, then V2 should be twice V1, which would make sense. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye, go away.